what's up internet, and good morning from Disneyland. We got a very exciting day here at the resort. It's my very first time back in quite a few months, and there's a lot of new and exciting things happening here, from some new show, the newly reopened Toontown area, and so we got a lot to check out. We're gonna show that all to you in this video. So we're gonna kick things off over in the Toontown area, and I'm excited to ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway for the very first time. Oh look, the band's here. Alright, we are starting off our day here in the newly reopened Toontown area. I gotta say, it looks absolutely great. Super refreshed. I'm very much excited to check out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. This is one of my favorite rides over at Hollywood Studios, and while it's mostly the same ride as the Disney World version, the queue here is actually completely different. As a High School Musical fan, my favorite movie reference here.
Hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
You're all watching so beautifully together. Now, let's
Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
We just got off of Runaway Railway and I absolutely loved it. I gotta say the theming in El Capitan Theater is super unique to Disneyland, and of course the ride being as amazing as it is, I really think it's a great addition to Toontown, and really this whole area just feels so revitalized, so refreshed. Also after Runaway Railway, that song, very catchy, always gets stuck in my head inevitably. It's now later in the day and we made our way over to the area in front of It's a Small World, waiting for the Magic Happens parade to get started. We just had a great fried chicken lunch over at Plaza Inn, and speaking of some really great meals, we also had a fantastic dinner at Club 33 last night. I have a whole separate video on that on my channel, so be sure to check that out, links in the description. But yeah, Magic Happens parade returned earlier this year, one of my favorite parades. That parade's about to get started, and fun fact, you know, Small World is actually a really great place to view it. The parade for the earlier show starts here on the Small World side, and so a lot of people think Main Street, but Small World has a lot of really great viewing options. So we're gonna get a view of one of my favorite parades, which is about to start any minute now. We parked up now over to California Adventure, and one of the things I stumbled upon is one of the Disney 100 medallions, and apparently it's also what Disney calls a dazzling experience if you have a Magic Band Plus. I'm rocking this Club 33 Magic Band I got yesterday at dinner. Apparently if you do this waving motion, you can interact with it. So let's go see just how dazzling this is. If that doesn't say $55 worth of magic, I don't know what does. This thing is probably gonna die soon because you gotta charge it every night. Right now we are making a mad dash across the Esplanade over into Disneyland because the Wondrous Journey fireworks show is about to kick off. This is the all-new fireworks show for the Disney 100, paying homage to a lot of the 100 years of Disney. Out of breath, we just came from Toy Story Mania. We are making our way into Disneyland Park. Oh, I've heard a lot of great things about this show, so hopefully we can check it out and hopefully it doesn't get canceled due to high winds. What a fun viewing of Wondrous Journeys. It was so cool to see so many classic Disney stories represented, and I think it is perfect for the Disney 100. Now the song, I'm still on the fence on, but overall, love the show. It was great. But now that Wondrous Journeys is over, we are doing one more thing on our to-do list, and that is riding Splash Mountain for the final time before it's set to close May 31st and for its transformation into Tiana's Bayou Adventure. That new ride will be opening in late 2024. I grew up on Splash Mountain. It has a lot of sentimental history and meaning to me, and so it is about 10 p.m., 63 degrees. It is very chilly, and we are probably going to be drenched. We survived that one. That wasn't bad. We survived. Didn't get drenched so far. We have successfully survived Splash Mountain without getting super drenched. As a matter of fact, we actually went on twice because we had an extra pair of lightning lane passes. But I will say, I'm gonna miss Splash Mountain. I've had a lot of great and not so great and very frigid and soaking wet memories on this ride. But you know what? I'm also very excited for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Late 2024 is quite a ways away, so it's gonna be a tough wait, but definitely can't wait to see what comes out of it. Now before we go, I do want to pick up one more souvenir, Splash Mountain related.
Not too hard!
Alright, that will wrap up our long day here at Disneyland. As you can see, we packed in quite a bit into our about 13 hours here at the park. It was so cool to see all the new things here at Disneyland Resort. The Magic Happens Parade is probably the highlight. I've had that song stuck in my head. Love the dancers, the choreography, the floats, the characters, everything about it is just chef's kiss. Can't wait to see that again and check out all these things again. This also marked the very first trip I've actually been able to call myself a magic key holder, so definitely expect a lot more Disney content coming your way. And if you did like this video, I hope you did, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe and bell button below, and I'll see you next time on the internet.